Now we will see how to use this fillet function, fillet tool. Let's create a polygon first. Finish. Click on this fillet. We can make curves, create tangent curve connecting two segments. Click on this. Click a side of the polygon and another side of the polygon. Now a curve is shown. We can move this curve using our mouse. Let's make this curve in this position and just click the mouse button and it will create a nice finished curve. We can make another curve. Just click on this side and skipping this side we will use this one, and it also shows a curve. Let's make it like this. We have created two nice curves using fillet command. Save this.